oh, but I guess say no, bro, we nyame.
There's no self-control.
No self-control.
Yeah.
We nyame. And now we want to mean determine obi shebre.
I was so yeah, nyamsumni.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so Wofreme Adjoa searching. Ebusafo Oman FM workers which are honorable Canada Compre Japan radio station Oman FM Omo Akacha Reverend Owusu Bempah say he is not God and he can never be God. In fact, unfit in impo on behu so be God. So for crowd unfit in God can't God. Inti no onja nsem hu oja na so dem ho edi no ebusuafo de inti no man FM workers e de reply we ama Reverend Owusu Bempah
Asano emra from kakra if you say political party the New Patriotic Party no ekuo ene dombi said the ono nso ewo na sori no inti ye besre no ase nsem ni bi ho a okan ya na ano hye the way a wa hye nsem no ase no se wa ma ne kasa no ama fo ma wan hwe yi a na party for boys ni bi nso ahyase na sansem no enso etimi trigger fire ya nyankopon amoa na ye beka se de ye opani kramoni koka yi nko ana trigger fire but nsem ni bi ho nso a eno nso so efri ono nso no ho a ya hwe ni ya be trigger fire Professor Owusu Bempah ya na yenua pani yenua kuma ye papa ya damfo ye sofo eno no ba bia ode nsem ni bi ni nam no onya ho abotre kakra if you say qualities of a Christian there Paul can ho asem de kire Galatians 5:22 to 23 yeah or my futuo ahodo bebre odo asumdwe afi abojo kire gidie yenya gentle yen control ye ho ne nyina nso so eka se oye a Christoni a opese oboa ema nyamsom etumi ekoso no ade ba ko a Yesu adi Gyae yen de bia meka se wo hwe the Lord's prayer no mu a so ho the cross bi wo baabi o say fire mfom so free yen said de free wo no mu a wo mo efom yen na saa de no o confirm no wasenua no so o confirm no wasenua no so se o tinyam so ase yi a obeti de mekan ase if you say at the point ana ye kunu kra no kan say urade fa free wo mo fi so mo nim ni wo mo ye me giri se ye chew Paul ne Silas ni ade nyina ye cheche wo mo jojo wo mo no ne ade eno ka ho bi na Christianity aba bedu ba bi a adui eni so yo sofu pani na unim bone fache na still asem a atwam no da so wo mu a no akofa ba na wa be kan no ade atrigger me gidi se sese ye nyina nso so yetimi eno kasa na wote ase se wom se obi command sisire na nso so sa bre na twam ba bi a yegina se Yesu Kristo se yemfa yemfom so enchiche ye ho na mpo ono kra o ye Yesu Kristo a na nko betumi akomande ama owo na firi ama omo ekuno no bibia ba be ye omo no ka se urade fache omo no omo nim ni omo ye me gidi se osofo se wo ka se urade fache NPP fo no omo nim ni omo ya ebeboa ama apagya Yesu Kristo a odi ode onam ode wo ye adwuma no ama nyamsom so ene Kristo som anim abanyam ora Robert mi Jesus so ka bi
kutu abi na media me
ensam no okika na no ya ishi
asem ba ko a person me draw attention to ye say time obanjo manfo no penesi na boy dey atwen amanfo atwen ebo san no odwane ko Yesu won Yesu hwe omo chase ni nyina anim e wa na o chance se o churchofo enum na obusa so won ya de onye ebone da no onto bo onye den e mo obai obi antumi anto bo no Peter me wa Peter abra ye bechi Yesu no nyo na twen sika antwa obi
aso yi na so hey crash fast kan
yi sika na graw otwa aso no free ho Yesu san je aso no no san de tae ma nipa no hoto no so they say e kire say boni fa free wo ho so obi fum kuma ye mpani fo so obi fum kuma obi fum nyede enwa so na me na nsem asofo ne binom de omo ye ne de aya na asa bi mo me nka wo nya say aya na ye defa nsem no so de binom ye ne nya sofo Owusu Bempah nko a sofo ba kon so okuma se friends prophet one answered. No, Burundiana, and young Monquan so be brave, why any experience in one money money. So, say now, be young from so I can now Bruni Nia, I will curse you now. But I guess say no, we yammy.
There's no self-control.
No self-control.
Yeah.
We yammy. And I won't mean determine or be shebre.
I was so yeah, Nyamsumnia,
slow
to anger, quick to forgive. Yes. Slow to anger, quick to forgive.
I yes, obi fumuka, obi cancer. Na yes, you cramp the end of Vanyan. Obi kofumuka crabby, cocan once some crabby, and now hey. Watching the Brunia. Prophet Owusu Bempah, on to no bossy. You will crum her, And Obeka say, ye nimini Sunday President, or mine President, Mamma and Sa, the best will crum her, and yes, and papa. Lubin near me.
Nasabem.
Eben be near me. On one who we are Nina no sign, Quantum President, Mamma, and Amboa. Into acquires a double standard. So
on the Yankopon at near you, Matty, can walk.
Oh, Yankopon made them in this Yankopon in the Jumasa.
Reverend Owusu Bempah yourself will be an NPP for respecting the path. First, no, now you do not go near Reverend Owusu Bempah. And so, can I send one idea? They are no pay. Now, so Reverend Owusu Bempah is a woman who be at name a tree.
Mama kwai. Now, allow your children. Our politics more and yes, sin. Now, allow your children to get involved in politics. It is not sinful. And your bonnet, it's not sinful. Baby, we are say kolo. You see, the dimension the world is drifting towards. If we are not careful, some people will take over power and they will control us, the sons of God to whom this earth has been given. Christians, majority. Christians are in the majority. Majority. We are in the majority. But it seems that notwithstanding, it seems we have abstained from certain things and we are struggling in our abstinence. If there is no elderly person in your life, woe betide you. As for me, what God has laid upon my heart, laid upon my heart to declare to you, also political positions Christians is that Christians must occupy political positions. And I'm going to blow the trumpet of this message until Christians hear it and Christians believe it and we concede to it. That is my heart desire. So I'm not surprised that when God called me, He prophesied to me through my spiritual father. And He told me God has called you for kingdoms and governments. He has called you for Ghana as a prophet for Ghana and for the world. Because the burden of the nation is on my heart. What I don't want to see is to see a person possessed with demons, a legion of demons, to lead the nation. Someone who has no covenant with Jesus. It can't be possible that person will lead this nation in my time. It can't be possible.
Papa, so when NPP phone ya, unto me now sorry them ho and preach din and kasa or the kosawala to a koto aba wasumdwe mu na emumu o kwato abapa ento abema asumesi. Unto me fa mic ni ntu fem endumi no enka ne din kire wasori ba ne te said de 2024 mo ye no Reverend Owusu Bempah to kwa na wo de ba no mana. She said, "Wa bwen people dia de du Ghana for bia so na she say God ni bia kra wo yan people ni na wo ye neutral wo yan this ni na wo hwe na this amembu we anko yan this amambu fun ye koso we na say 2028 wo se san no Reverend Owusu Bempah se wa bodua na asem we ahemfa say nsem hu we Reverend Owusu Bempah ahemfa na ebi beko me papa no ye sofo So when it comes to Asofofua, I give them that respect. Reverend Owusu Bempah, we respect you a lot. Asemna Okano, it's not about NPP for one, it's not about only NPP for one, it's about Ghana. All trances be betting the Asema papa. Most persons are say when you're friend now, what they was so at your papa. In some Ghana for can tea. Legend say, who know was so them, you know, unto boy and the end and boy and the ochina, etrimu yesudim. Say, no, me be a wow, na say account because who and I would know I saw them back catch and say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, Ghana fool him no more coffee bar. The besino, in yame besino, in yasem ketwa. Ampa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba and chena mo frere call say, I saw you program or omu ina ko wi. And check and a plane, esri asia. Ghana, a teacher from penifo 80. Amanebu amaka ho. Mutala, omoko wu kwasi wu, galamse ya ho. Eye na anu nsu to enkran. Nipa ahie wu say that just a mikro mini kwa ka ho na dan be ko bra kwa. Sister ni poster fan ba ho. Almost say na ono na oti nsusu na oti kiosk na nsu de ne kwa na je o emi nua wo fi bra kwa. Yakwa ina yi akoto na akire. Nsu to ya manfo wu pa. E na anu osofu yi a papa Hebron osofu ni ma boys too playing crash. Chese nsem esi Ghana ha no nsem a wo kan ne wu. Economy no crowd abon galamse yesu ina say nothing is going on in this country. I mean absolutely nothing. Nsem humpa na ekoso wo man mu no. Ya ye din yete yem baabi. Asem a wo kan na abem. Yen kasa yete yem baabi. O person san so be hye ebufu papa. Mana, be careful. Yesterday we are tired of you. Uhwe na wo nyame akukuye ina na yenkone ye kwa ya bre. Reverend Owusu Bempah. Ye tete ya na bro ekro ne yatim na ya bre because in the youth ye ntimi high dan na ya to light na yatimi kra etua ye bola fi na chese bibia enko yie nurses na teachers akọ school mu tifie omu hu omu left from omu right chese o man no Ghana no kukuyen wo ade bi ya wo tumi bi akukuyen ne yenko na ya bre why na no me na inya adwuma eno me na wondome no odome no iningina so it's never going to work and it will never work. Reverend Owusu Bempah. Aden. Dr. Bawumia, why are they? Dr. Bawumia, what has he done to you? What's an another no wasem? Na ka utrim to kwa agrada ni fie no. Na Ghana ya the Reverend Owusu Bempah. Say business Ghana ya odi ana. Ghana ya wode. We respect you. Say also for juma na wodi no bia meka senti a say wodi sofo. But say wodi traba politics in no kwa yanka na say obetra say obi koto aba no menka na. What do you mean? Are there money and trouble? Money and trouble so catch it. Because definitely 2028 obi de ne kokromotiva ko si NPP so atwaba ama Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia why the wabeje wo yere. Obedu Gyae. Ana wa abo ba. Are. Fiya so na yaso menua na